Welcome to video 6 of our Star Mesh tutorial series here. It is time to have a look at the HUD functionality. We have gotten all our body parts that we need attached here. We've gotten the right eyes, the right head, the right skin. And now it's time to play with the HUD. We've had it open a few times, but as you can see, it's quite extensive. A lot of things are happening here. We've had a play with this. There's also the skin tones, and then we have a freckled version here. These only works if you're not working with bakes on mesh, which we do. These are onion layers or plier skins. If you want to change your skin now that we are wearing the BoM version of all this, you need to go to your BoM Evox skins and tattoos, and you can change your skin here. There's freckle versions as well if you want those. So this part of the HUD won't work when you're wearing BoM. It will work if you're wearing the layered version of the body. So that's your materials here. There's 4 regular different options, and then you have a wet option that if you wear it, she looks like she's been working out or been out swimming. And there's also a mature layer that will give you, if we freeze her a little bit here, that will give her a little bit of wrinkle effect here and there. You choose what you want to use here, and if you have one of them chosen here, you can control down here how glossy it will be. As you can see, the intensity and reflection works too. I like it to show but not be too crazy. Okay, you can also tint your skin here. So if I want to turn blue, I can do that. And if I want to get back to white, I have this little square here I can click, but I can change whatever. So if I want it to look a little bit sunburned, I can change that here, you see? And if I adjust the saturation and lightness, I can get a color I perhaps like a little better. So that's for the skin. And if you find a combination here that you really like, those little arrows here are save slots. So if you click this one, you will have that combination saved down here again. So if you change it, do something crazy, and you want to get back to that, you can just click this little square there and you will get back to what you saved. You also have ear, hide and show, both for the right and the left, or just one of them. That comes in handy sometimes if you have hair where the ears are sticking out. You can also choose, if you want to wear ears from another creator, you can hide the ear and then choose if you want there to be a hole or not. For some other ears, when you wear them, they will intersect with the head mesh, and that can be really annoying. So that's why you have those whole options. I could take off the hair, that's annoying. Let's just hide an ear. Here we go. If we hide the ears, right now there's no hole here. There's a lot of hair but no hole. But I can actually make a hole like that, you see? That's for if you're wearing other ears. Good. So I think, oh, and then there's the hide scalp. There's sometimes with some head shapes, if you have a very elongated head here, it might poke through your hair, and that's what those two are for. You can hide your scalp and hide it a little more, or choose what area to hide with those 2 buttons. They are sometimes a lifesaver if you have a favorite hair and it just does not fit with your shape and you are not happy about changing your shape to have it fit. This will save you. And then sometimes you get blending issues if Second Life glitches, and then you can click this little button and fix it. I haven't had them right now, so I haven't really been able to show you. So that was our setup part, except we have all those tabs in the setup parts too. Let's do the next tab in the next video.